Hey, namaste, beautiful ones. If you like this video, you're going to love what I'll be doing at my new channel, Bliss Mind. Please subscribe to it. The link will be below. I'll have more content like this over there. Enjoy. Welcome to a guided meditation for sleep and relaxation. Before we begin, be aware that you should not do this practice while driving or any activity that requires you to be alert and awake, as you will be going into a state of deep relaxation. In this session, I will be leading you on a deep visualization and meditation that will carefully guide you to relax not only your mind and mental tension, but your body will relax and release any physical tension. You will fall into a state of deep, deep peace and relaxation. Let's begin. Now that you are in a comfortable, relaxed, reclining position, we will begin. You have arrived finally at this beautiful, magical beach. This relaxing, otherworldly space. You can feel your toes sinking into the soft, powdery sand as you begin to walk slowly towards a beautiful, simple swing where you can rock gently, hearing the waves lapping near your feet. You are safe. You are protected. You are deeply, deeply loved. As you gently begin to swing, you feel that all your cares and troubles begin to wash away, just like the waves coming in, washing away, cleaning the beach, cleaning the sand before receding back to the ocean. As you begin to relax more and more, you take a deep breath in and let it out. You notice that your breathing is getting deeper and deeper. As you slip out of the gentle swing, feeling so relaxed, your legs feel heavy. You take a few steps in the warm sand and you decide to relax and to lay down and relax deeply on this beach. You are safe. You are protected. As you recline now onto the warm, comforting sand of this beach, you are in an elevated place high up on the sandy beach. You know it's safe to close your eyes and begin to drift deeper and deeper. Any sounds you hear are so far away, way off in the distance, very, very far. As you're laying there now, your body begins to feel heavy. That feeling as if you are drifting effortlessly into sleep. You are safe on the sand. You are far away from the waves that are very gently lapping the shore. Now that you are in a comfortable, relaxed, reclining position, you begin to notice that your legs and your toes and your feet, as you exhale, your toes, your feet, your ankles, your legs feel so heavy. They feel deeply, deeply relaxed. In fact, you have never felt your body so relaxed as you do right now, in this moment. You notice that your hips, your pelvis, your belly are all deeply, deeply relaxed. You feel as if your body is relaxing down even more into the warmth of the sand. With each exhalation, relaxing more and more and more. You notice the breath coming in and expanding the belly and the chest. You notice the exhalation, you sink down. Your whole torso feels heavy, relaxed, and heavy. You've never felt so deeply relaxed as you do right now. Your awareness now shifts to your fingertips. You notice that your fingers, your thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger on your right hand feel so relaxed. You notice the same on your left hand, going through and feeling each finger relaxed completely. You have never felt so deeply relaxed as you do now in this moment. You notice your hands feel so heavy, deeply relaxed, more relaxed than you have ever felt. Deeply relaxed in this present moment. You become aware of your shoulders. Your shoulders are so relaxed. Your shoulders are completely, deeply relaxed. With every exhalation, your shoulders relax even more. You can feel the muscles loosening and releasing, unwinding and relaxing more and more with each breath that you take. With each exhalation, you're sinking down more deeply into complete relaxation. You notice your head and neck, how heavy they feel. With your next exhalation, the muscles in your neck completely and deeply relax. You notice the sense of deep release of tension that you didn't even know was there. Deeply relaxed, deeply relaxed. And now you notice that the muscles of your face, jaw, and your cheeks are relaxed, deeply relaxed, more relaxed than you've ever been. With each exhale, your face becomes more and more relaxed. Your eyes relax. They release. Your eyelids relax deeply, more relaxed than you've ever been, as the entire face, the cheeks, the mouth, the eyes, the forehead, all relax deeply, deeply relaxed, deeply relaxed. You notice that any sounds are very, very far away. As if you're wrapped in a cocoon of safety that muffles all sounds. And finally, you arrive at the top of your head and you notice a sense of deep relaxation in all the muscles in your scalp, deeply relaxing, deeper than they ever have before. Your body is so heavy now. You feel that you are drifting off into a state of deep and complete relaxation. Deeply relaxed. Your entire body so heavy. simply allowing yourself to drift off, drifting. With each breath that follows, you notice you begin to feel lighter, like a feather, very, very light, as if you're floating deeply relaxed. Nothing for you to do, simply allowing this sense of simply being. With the sound of my voice, going more and more deeply into relaxation as I count down from 10 to 1. You're going more and more deeply inside to a place of complete and utter calm. 10, 9, more relaxed. 8, more relaxed. 7, 6, 5, more and more relaxed. 4, you notice you don't even hear any sounds. 3, 2, 1. Completely and utterly relaxed. You have achieved a state of complete and utter relaxation. Namaste. When it is the perfect time for you to arise, you will do so naturally, feeling refreshed and completely and utterly relaxed. Join my other channel for videos like this. Links are below.